Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with Temu. Thank you Temu for sponsoring this video and sending over these items to me. I'm very excited to unbox these with you guys today. If you guys want to see that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this unboxing. We're doing a Temu unboxing, okay? First of all, this package actually got delivered to my mom's house, so she thought it was hers. So she kind of like dabbled in this. So that's why it's tore up a little bit. And then we have this other big package as well. Let's go ahead and do this one since it's already finagled with. The first thing we're gonna open is this mannequin head. I picked out this mannequin head because obviously, if you know me, you know I work with a lot of wigs. So I picked up a mannequin head just in case. I feel like it would just be of use. So it has the little screw holes and all the little things to screw it in so I can like mount it on like a counter or whatever. Put my wig on here and, you know, go to work, style it, pluck it, put some curls in it, whatever. But it's a nice little quality mannequin head that will be very useful for a wig influencer like me. And then the next thing I got was a wig. This is a 4-inch, this is a 12-inch coffee wig. I think it's like a bob. So it's a 12-inch coffee. It's giving milk chocolate and it has a bump in it already. Cute bob with the bangs. Honestly, this is cute. You know, this could be like a really good like throw on wig when I need to go run some errands and I don't want to do my hair underneath. All I gotta do is bump it in or out how I want to and then just throw this baby on and off whenever I come to and leave the store. Excuse me? Yes, chocolate brown. All right, so the next thing, okay, so this is another 8-inch wig that they sent over to me. Oh, this one got some lace on it. Oh yeah, this one's gonna require a little bit of work. Oh, hold on. Let's shake this one out. Oh yeah, this is a shorty bob. This is a shorty bob. Let's get a close-up on the lace. It has, I think it's like a 4x4 closure with the elastic band. There's some adjustable straps, combs, all that good stuff. Oh yeah, this is a good little one to do too. Hold on, let me see. Does it need some plucking? Because look, that mannequin head is already coming in play. Oh yeah, it's pre-plucked for sure. But yeah, I can put it on that mannequin head and we are styled. I forgot I had this little box. This one was also in the first package. So this is the little tripod for the mannequin head. So I can either mount it on like the corner of something or it has its own like tripod too. It like folds out like this, like that. That's nice. That's very nice. And it comes with a little holder, a little shoulder bag. I like that. That is really convenient. The first item of clothing on the line, honeys. This is a jumpsuit. I got a cute little one-piece jumpsuit with it's a little v-neck. So we got a little v-neck with some thick straps. Hold on. We also have some pockets on the side. And the main event is these lace-ups on the ankles. How freaking cute is that? This is a cute little jumpsuit. It's like a cotton material. It's not like a jersey hot material. Like it's a cool cotton material. So I think I'm gonna like this. What size is this? I got this in an extra large. So, yes, that should be cute. This is cute. I did not pick this out, but I think they might have sent me this because this is so cute. Look at the back of this cardigan. The back of this cardigan says, Simply Live. My Instagram handle is Simply Alishia. And that is so freaking adorable. I do not remember picking this out. Let me just try this on for y'all real quick. Okay, this is a cute little cardigan. Tell me you guys are not living for this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then it has the cute little pockets right here. The wrinkles are established, but I'm going to throw this in the dryer. The wrinkles are going to come right out. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is a very, very cute cardigan. I love it. I love the color. It's so thick. The material is nice and thick. Oh my gosh. It's like a soft, it's very, very like, it feels like it's been washed and dried with like the Downy detergent and fabric softeners. That's what it feels like. This is what it feels like. And stop. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Well, I will definitely be wearing this. Next, we have a pair of shoes. I remember picking these out for sure. I was like, let me see what these Temu sneakers are hitting for. Tell me these aren't cute. Tell me these sneakers are not cute. You would not. Are you wearing these? These are so freaking cute. Excuse me. These look like, what shoes do these look like? I don't know, but they're so freaking adorable. I got these. What size did I get these in? This reminds me of when my dad used to take me and my brother to the little outdoor swap meets in California, in Southern California, and we would pick out like little sneakers from the outside swap meet. Oh, it says smile. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I swear the older I get, the less I care about like my shoe brand. Like, of course I do have like my like high-end brands that I like, but like I don't care too much about like having like a high-priced shoe. And I feel like this is just so cute, and I love the orange. I already have some white and orange shoes, so at this point I just need to get some more like white and orange or like gray and orange crew neck sweaters or something to go with them. But these look so freaking cute and flexible. I got these in a size 40. You can't tell me nothing. Like, these are definitely about to be worn and played on. Yes, thank you, Temu. I love these. So next we have is a cute little dress, lounge around the house dress with a eye on it. I really got it. Okay, how many of you guys have been seeing these like paintings with this print on it? I wanted to get this dress because I was like, I love the colors, and I could honestly, I'm probably going to be wearing this around the house, and I thought it would be so cute for like a lounge around the house type of dress. It's so cute. Hold on, let me show you guys the back. Yes, it looks like all the paintings that we see at Ross, and it's very, very cute. The next thing I got is this cute little duffel bag for traveling or like a overnight stay, but I feel like it would be very good for like a 3-day trip. It has this huge compartment in the top. Oh, and it comes with straps, so you can do the crossbody straps. But this huge pocket on the inside. I love this gold color. Before we even get into that, and then on the inside, it has a zipper pocket. It has a zipper pocket on the inside. On the other side, it has these small pockets as well. You can just slide some things in, and all the space in the middle. I feel like this is so freaking cute. But also at the bottom, you have this compartment at the bottom. This part opens up at the bottom and you can put your other things in here, anything you want, separate or like flat, because it's gonna be like compressed with all the things on top, or anything that just sits flat, you can put it in the bottom compartment here, which is a whole separate compartment, which I think is really, really convenient. I'm a neutral girly, so I definitely wanted this like cream color. I'm gonna gravitate to anything like this type of color or anything neutral. Switch it over to the back side. The back side also has this zipper compartment, so you can, it has this smaller pocket right here, and I think that is absolutely adorable too. I went ahead and put the strap on so you can see what the strap looks like. You know, this bag is just gonna look so cute with things actually in it. It's gonna look a lot freaking cuter. I just love it. I can't wait to use this the next time I go anywhere for more than 5 hours. So this is gonna be perfect for the girlies that like to pack a million things and you're traveling by yourself. You can fit everything you need in a bag like this. Perfect duffel bag. All right, so the next pack of things I got a 3-pack of just like t-shirts, a gray t-shirt, and this is kind of like the jersey material, but the shirts do have a little cuff on the arms, which I love a cuff on the arms. Like I do that to my regular t-shirts, so that's why I picked these up, because I love a cuff on the sleeve. The shirts say Milano, Italy, so I got a gray one, white one, a standard black one. So I just feel like these are cute, like little everyday shirts that you can wear with anything and just look like cleaned up and look like you showered for the day, pretty much. You can dress these up, like this will look really, really clean with, it will look really cute with a light wash blue denim, a acid washed like gray denim, black, just all of that. This will look really, really cute with that, and it'll just like clean up your look and still keep you simple at the same time. So that's why I picked up this 3-pack of t-shirts, because you can never go wrong with just like basic t-shirts in your wardrobe ever. And also I got these shirts in a size extra large. It's another 3-pack of tops, but these are tank tops. So these are just cropped black tank tops. I think they're perfect. Again, just like some everyday essentials that you'll need that will go with everything probably in your wardrobe. If you want to be casual and just hurry up and put something on, and especially in the spring summertime, or if you know you're going to be wearing something underneath it, it's absolutely perfect for that. So I had to pick up these because everyday essentials are just very important. And you know, when you have everyday essentials, you're wearing them all the time and you might get a stain on them, rip, tear, anything. So you always need to have these essentials on you just in case something happens to the ones you already have. You got some backups. Okay, we're moving on to the very last thing. This is the last thing, y'all. I'm glad if y'all made it to the end of this. I appreciate y'all. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is a pair of jeans. These are some wide leg jeans that I picked out with a square cutout on the leg. I thought this would be so freaking cute. I love the light wash jean. I love a light wash jean. It does have the scrunch in the back of the pants and pockets. Love that. What size did I get these in? These are in a 2X, and they do have pockets on the front with the zipper. There's also some distressing on the front left side, and then the square cutout on the right side. But very cute everyday jeans that are wide leg. It does have a zipper fly with the one button. I think this is just very cute in like a everyday pant. And I don't have any that have the square cutout And then on the ends is the unfinished hem on the end with the little straggly strings, which I think are just really, really cute. Like, I love a wide leg. Yes, I'm very actually excited with my little Temu choices. And honestly, like, this denim, this is not the stretchy denim. Good quality denim on the pants and a nice size pocket. My whole hand can fit in that. So I am very, very pleased with the quality of things that I got. Temu really came through with like some really good quality. I can't wait to wear these things together. Thank you so much, Temu. Thank you for everybody that came over and watched my video. I appreciate you guys. If you guys lasted this long, don't forget to drop some comment. Tell me how you guys feel. Let me know how you guys feel about Temu. Let me, if you guys have any questions, please ask below. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.